Uh-oh, the dinosaur letters got all mixed up. Let's start with A. Big letter A. Where is little a? No. There it is. Big A, little a. Blue dinosaur, blue bowl. Now we have one blue dinosaur. What comes after A? Yes, B. Big letter B, little b. Yellow triceratops, yellow bowl. Now we have a yellow dinosaur too. What comes after B? Yes, C. Big letter C. Where could little c be? Not over here. Oh, there it is. Big C, little c. Green stegosaurus, green bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. What comes after C? Big letter D, little d. Yellow brontosaurus, yellow bowl. Now we have two yellow dinosaurs. What comes after D? E. Where is little e? There it is. Big E, little e. Blue triceratops, blue bowl. Now we have two blue dinosaurs. What comes after E? Yes, F. Big letter F. Where is little f? Maybe this one? No. Oh, there it is. Big F, little f. Red stegosaurus, red bowl. Now we have a red dinosaur. What comes after F? Yes, G. Big letter G, little g. Great matching. Green dinosaur, green bowl. Look at all the colorful dinosaurs. We match all the uppercase and lowercase letters. That was fun. Let's do it again.